Okay, we're at this project now. We're out here, we're going to put that water line in now. We're gonna do this whole rough in, but right now we're just gonna go over the water line from the meter to the house. Then you get out here and you kind of look at it and you go, hey, we have our meter in. So we only have a 3/4 meter here. We're gonna come and hook up our water line to this. The city will put the proper size meter in. We're gonna run our PVC all the way. We're gonna bring this right up over to, don't lose this washer. As soon as that's built in, all right, so now we got all of our stuff laid out. Okay, now we have our 5-foot leader of copper and we're dropping down. We're gonna take that Schedule 80 nipple and we're gonna put it onto here, and that's gonna be the start of our PVC water line. We're gonna go ahead and continue running our water line. Then we'll get our tracer wire in here. We now have all of our PVC together all the way down. We have all of our parts that we're gonna be using to build our service. We're done with the main service line. We did our coupling with our Schedule 80 nipple. Sometimes the place doesn't have fire sprinklers, so you actually don't need this and you don't need this. You just come up here and you have this number. This stub is the stub that will be going into the house, right, Bo?
10-4, yes.
10-4, baby.